In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Stack with Wix Studio. Whether you're an agency or an enterprise, Wix Studio is a powerful platform that can elevate your web development projects. Let's dive right into the process and explore how you can efficiently utilize the Stack feature within Wix Studio. Firstly, head over to the Wix Studio website, which is the go-to platform for web development experts. You can find it by going to wix.com/studio. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. It's designed to be user-friendly and comprehensive, offering everything you need to manage your web projects seamlessly. Once you've acquainted yourself with the homepage, locate the Login button. It's usually situated at the top right corner of the screen. By clicking on this, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. If you haven't already signed into your Wix account, this is a step you'll need to complete before proceeding. Now, when you're at the login screen, you have a few options. For the sake of ease, particularly if you're someone who prefers a streamlined sign-in process, choose the option to continue with Google. This option allows for a quick and secure login using your Google account credentials, which many find to be a convenient and reliable method. With access to your account, let's move on to using the Stack feature. Within the editor, imagine you're working on a project where you have multiple images that you want to arrange neatly. Start by clicking on one image and then hold down the Shift key while clicking on another image. This enables you to select multiple elements simultaneously, which is incredibly useful for organizing your content efficiently. Having selected your images, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Here, look for the Stack option. Clicking on Stack will group your selected images together within a stack, effectively streamlining your layout and improving the visual cohesion of your web page. The Stack feature is particularly handy when dealing with multiple design elements that you want to move or adjust as one unit. By following these steps, you can make the most out of Wix Studio's Stack feature. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore other capabilities offered by Wix Studio to further enhance your web design projects. With each experience, you'll find yourself becoming more adept at creating sophisticated and professional-looking websites. That wraps up today's instructional guide on using Stack with Wix Studio. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on web development. Thank you for watching and happy building.